Hi, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll teach you how to reset ChatGPT memory. First, open ChatGPT and log into your account. Then click on your name or profile picture in the bottom left corner. Open Settings. Then click the Personalization tab. Scroll all the way down and click the Manage button in the Memory section. In this section, you will see a list of saved memory. Since I don't have any saved memory in my account, I can't see it. If you wish, you can review and clear each saved memory individually. To delete all memories, click the three dots. Then select Delete All Memories. Clearing saved memories will prevent ChatGPT from remembering them in the future, and will also delete the chat history containing those memories. If you agree, check the box and click the Delete All button. After the cleaning process is complete, you will see that no saved memory remains. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to reset ChatGPT memory has been helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.